Hello world travellers, reward enthusiasts and credit score builders. On this channel I cover all types of credit cards. I'll give you an overview of the card, its pros and cons, and my take on that card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. Today's video, however, will be a little bit different. I'll tell you about routing numbers and tell you if they exist for credit cards or not, so you don't get caught off guard. If you've ever been asked for your credit union or bank's routing number when setting up direct deposit or transferring funds, you might wonder if your credit card has a routing number as well. However, credit cards do not have routing numbers. Routing numbers are specifically used for transferring money between bank accounts and are not involved in credit card transactions. Despite this, some individuals mistakenly believe that credit cards possess routing numbers. In essence, routing numbers serve as digital addresses that help identify the location of the bank where you opened your account. Banks utilize these numbers to facilitate the transfer of funds between one another. For instance, if you wish to arrange direct deposit with your employer, you would typically provide your bank routing number to ensure payment from your employer's bank. Conversely, credit card transactions do not require a routing number since there is no transfer of funds between banks. Simply put, credit cards do not have routing numbers because they do not require them. Routing numbers are solely necessary for transferring funds between bank accounts. When you use a credit card, you are essentially borrowing money from the card issuer rather than utilizing existing funds from your account. The payment settlement process differs from that of wire transfers and direct deposits. Instead of moving funds between accounts, you borrow money from the financial institution and repay it at a later date, which is why routing numbers are not required. A routing number is a 9-digit identifier used to identify a financial institution in the United States. It is also known as an ABA routing number or routing transit number. Initially introduced in 1910 by the American Bankers Association to facilitate the processing of paper checks, it was widely adopted by the financial industry in 1911. The first 4 digits of a routing number indicate the Federal Reserve Bank district where the financial institution is located. The following 4 digits identify the specific bank or credit union, while the last digit, known as the check digit, ensures the routing number's validity. Financial institutions use routing numbers for various purposes, including ordering checks, processing wire transfers, and establishing direct deposits. If you are unsure of your bank's routing number, you can typically find it at the bottom of your check or within your online banking account. Since the routing number is based on your financial institution's location, it remains the same for both your checking and savings accounts. Credit card numbers typically consist of 16 digits, 15 digits in some cases, and can be found on the front of your physical card. These numbers are not random, but rather have specific meanings and serve important processes in credit card transactions. The first 4 to 6 digits of a credit card number are known as the issuer identification number or bank identification number. This portion of the number helps identify the bank or financial institution that issued the card. Different banks or card issuers have unique IINs or BINs, allowing them to be easily identified. Following the IIN is the account number, which is unique to the cardholder. The account number can vary in length, typically ranging from 6 to 12 digits. This number is specific to your card and allows the issuer to associate transactions with your account. Lastly, each credit card number includes a check digit, which is used to verify the authenticity of the credit card number. The check digit is calculated using a specific algorithm, and its purpose is to detect any errors or typos in the card number when it is entered or transmitted. Different credit card networks have variations in how they incorporate the check digit. Most networks, such as MasterCard, Discover, and American Express, use the last digit as the check digit. However, Visa uses the 13th digit as its check digit. It's important to note that the 16-digit credit card number serves a different purpose than a bank routing number. While a routing number is a 9-digit code used to route money transfers and other payments through the banking system, a credit card number is used to identify your account and the financial institution that issued the card. Your credit card number is unique to you and enables you to make purchases online and in person. To find your routing number, you can typically log into your online banking account and navigate to the account details section. Here, you will find the routing number listed along with your bank account number and other pertinent information. If you prefer a physical reference, your routing number can also be found on your paper checks. It is located at the bottom left preceding your account number. If you do not have access to online banking or paper checks, contacting your bank's customer service line will provide you with the correct routing number. Understanding the different components of a credit card number and its distinction from a routing number can help you navigate and utilize your credit card effectively while managing your finances. While your routing number may not be considered sensitive information, as accounts at the same bank share the same routing number, it's still important to protect your other account details to safeguard yourself from potential fraud. Here are 5 tips to help you ensure the security of your banking information. Safeguard your debit credit card. It's crucial to keep your card in a safe place and avoid carrying it around unless necessary. Consider storing it in a secure location at home, such as a locked drawer or cabinet, to prevent unauthorized access. Be cautious with sharing information. Only provide your bank account or card details to trusted websites and businesses. Exercise caution when entering sensitive information online and ensure that you are using a secure connection, especially when making financial transactions. Monitor your bank statements. Regularly review your bank statements to identify any suspicious activity. Pay close attention to transaction details and report any unauthorized charges or unusual transactions to your bank immediately. Prompt action can help mitigate potential losses. Choose a card with fraud protection features. Look for credit or debit cards that offer robust fraud protection features. These features are designed to keep your card information secure and provide you with added peace of mind. Examples of such features include real-time monitoring of account activity and alerts for suspicious behavior. Stay updated on security practices. Stay informed about the latest security practices and recommendations from your bank or card issuer. This can include enabling additional security measures, such as two-factor authentication, or setting up transaction notifications to stay informed about any card activity. By following these tips, you can minimize the risk of fraud and protect your financial information effectively. Remember, being proactive and vigilant in safeguarding your account details is crucial in today's digital landscape. It is important to be wary of scammers who may attempt to pressure you into providing your credit card or personal information. They often employ tactics to rush you into purchasing without considering the security of the website or the legitimacy of the business. In such situations, it is crucial to trust your instincts and take the following steps. Don't succumb to pressure. Scammers may use high-pressure tactics to push you into sharing your credit card or personal information. Remember that legitimate businesses will never rush or pressure you into making immediate decisions. Take your time to evaluate the situation and make an informed choice. Verify the website's security. Before entering any sensitive information, ensure that the website you're dealing with is secure. Look for indications such as a padlock icon in the browser's address bar or an HTTPS prefix in the URL, which signifies an encrypted connection. If you have doubts about the security of the website, it's best to refrain from providing your information. Research the business. If you are unsure about the legitimacy or intentions of the business, conduct some research. Look for reviews, ratings, and customer feedback to get a better understanding of their reputation and trustworthiness. Trusted sources such as customer protection agencies or online forums can provide valuable insights. Seek more information. If you have doubts or concerns, don't hesitate to ask the business for additional information or clarification. Legitimate businesses should be transparent and responsive to customer inquiries. If they fail to address your concerns adequately, or if their responses raise further suspicions, it is advisable to walk away from the transaction. In an increasingly digital world where financial transactions and personal information are at risk, it is vital to be vigilant and proactive in safeguarding your financial well-being. By understanding the intricacies of credit card numbers, routing numbers, and the importance of secure practices, you can navigate the realm of financial transactions with confidence. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed about potential scams, utilizing fraud protection features, and trusting your instincts are essential steps in protecting yourself from fraudsters and ensuring a secure financial future. Take control of your financial security and embark on a journey where informed decisions and cautious steps pave the way to peace of mind and financial resilience. With this, my lesson on routing numbers and the risks of the financial digital world ends. I hope it was helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of it. These videos take a long time to make and are a labour of love. If you'd like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word.